Printing boards through the input tray in HP PageWide XL Pro Series printers. First, you need to set up the job in HP SmartStream or a compatible RIP software. Make sure you have the proper paper type, thickness, and size selected for the board you'll be printing on. Once the job's configured, set the number of copies and set it to print. Launch the Sheet Load workflow by tapping on Paper App, Sheet Card, and Load. Follow the instructions on the front panel. Open the input tray door and slide in the inner cover. If you do not need to modify the parameters, confirm the configuration by pressing Continue. If you want to adjust any parameter, you can do it through the Load Configuration window. Based on the thickness value, the printer may request to modify the Pro Stacker level and roof positions. Follow the front panel instructions to do this. Before loading a sheet, check for any bent corners and warping. In case the foam board has a little warpage, load it as a convex or unhappy face shape. Load the board by inserting it into the input tray until you hear a beep. The printer will take hold of the board. The printer will take a few seconds to check the status and dimensions of the board. Once the board's printed, you can collect it or stack it in the Pro Stacker tray. If the job has more than one page, the batch printing mode will be activated. Follow the instructions on the front panel and feed the boards one by one, attending to the printer instructions, beacon, and beep sound. You can leave the job on hold at any time and release later to continue printing. When the job is completed or the Pro Stacker is full, collect the sheets and, if needed, continue printing. There are several applications for one-sided printed boards. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.